Hi, welcome to Behave Like a Millionaire Inner Excellence class. Today, day one, we are going to discuss about first lesson of clarity. The clarity is more important for life as well as business, and whatever it is you have to do, you need the clarity. Without clarity, we are unable to do anything. So, if you want to find the clarity, you should know the way. Are you ready to find the way? I think you give the big yes on for that. First, you must ask yourself, who are you? That is the way. Who are you? You know, you have the answer for that. Whenever you want to compete some others or something, you should know yourself. You should know your strength and weakness. So first, you just ask the question, who are you? And then get the clarity of what you want. Actually, what you want, you need something, the peace in the life, you need the money, you need the recognition, you need the prestigious awards, something. So you have to decide what you want. Whenever you know who are you, then you have to decide what you want. You have the clarity on that. If you are running the business, it's for just get the revenue or just for the life running or just for the hobby. Why you are doing such things? Somebody participate in the athlete, they should know their final destination, where they are going to reach, why they are going to reach such a place. It's for the winning. Finish line for the winning. Winning get the recognition and the awards and some gold medal, whatever it is. So like that, in life, what you want? And then you are clear on what you want. You need something. Well, then why you want that? You know yourself. So who are you? You have the answer for that. Then you have the answer for what you want. Very good. Then why you want that? For the purpose of getting such things, you want to achieve something. If you want to get something, why? You have the answer? You should find the answer. That's the clarity. The three questions you are able to answer, then you have the clarity on your life. But most of the peoples not have the answers. Why? Because they are not having the clarity on their life. They are not clarity on what they are doing. If you are not having that such clarity, don't worry. That's not a bigger problem. Hereafter, we get that clarity. We are going to guide you through this class to get that clarity. So your life will get that clarity, then you are achieving anything what you want. Anything you want, you are going to achieve. If you want to get the answer, who are you? Then you are not able to find the answer immediately. Don't worry. Just relax. Close your all open loops. What are the open loops? You are thinking something here and there. We are working here in front of the computer. We are listening such classes, but our mind will be going somewhere else. Our eyes watching these things, but our mind will go somewhere else. Like that, your mind will be wavering here and there. They are getting lot of thinkings on mind. So such way, you are not able to concentrate on one thing. So you have to close the loops. First you shut the loops. Then leverage your core values. So the core values is very important for the life. Actually, you have seen in some corporates display their core values in front of the office, in the reception area, or wherever the customer come through. Their places, they are putting that hoardings on their core values. Like that, like corporates, the individuals also having the core values. Actually, the individual's characters build on the core values. Against your core values, you are doing something that will be resulted in the failure. So sometimes we are think on that. I am doing everything is correct, but the result is failed. Why? Because the done the things are not based on your core values. So against your core values, you are unable to perform successfully. So here we have to know what are the core values. Actually, core values are what you believe is required to have life well lived. I'm already told that. If you want to live successfully, if you want to done the job successfully, you should design your work based on your core values. The core values are not chosen one. It's a trait of yourself. You have to identify it. Don't choose your core values. Yeah, there is an list of the core values. You have to identify on that. Don't just pick it up. Don't choose on that. Why core values important? Because core values are the foundation of the every decision. It's actually you are going to take any decision, your core values will be the major impact on that in your life or your business or whatever it is. Core values are decided who you want to be in future. Actually, somebody is thinking, I am going to doctor, I am going to be a athlete, I am going to be a cricketer, I am going to be a millionaire. Okay, you have the dreams on that, but you should design and plan according to your core values. Then only you are able to succeed on such dreams. So, in case some example here I am going to say, growth is huge core value for me. I value growth from all aspects in my life. Okay. Actually, I am consistently challenge myself and others to grow. That is my core value. The growth is my core value. I am going to challenge every aspect in my life to disturb or something. I am going to counter on such things and then bring the growth in my life as well as help to others to grow. That's the main thing. Here, I will give you the list of core values. At least 20 core values I am listed here. I will send it through WhatsApp, through our group, WhatsApp group. Then you initially choose at least 10 values. How to choose such values? The values are related to your behaviors. Actually, you know your behaviors. You know the things what you do. So you just compare your behaviors with that value listed on that. Then choose 10 core values. After that, choosing 10 values, you have to filter for 5. The filtering is based on your behaviors. Here, not choose, you have to identify because you know your behavior. So you have to, based on that, you have to identify your core values, minimum 5 values. So once you have to identify such 5 core values, here says choose 10 values. That's not just to tick it out. You have to relate it with your behaviors. Every values related with your behaviors, then choose. So, like that, you have to identify your core value. If your own personal values are unclear or not identified, why you are going to select core values is very important. Here I am going to say, if your own personal values are unclear or not identified, it will be difficult to plan, achieve greater goals in your life or business. Actually, your thoughts or behavior and actions also based only on your core values. So everything on your life. If you are speaking with some others, you are playing with some game, you are working with some others, you are having business, whatever it is, your thoughts, behaviors, and every actions based on your core values. So it's very important to identify your core values. Then only you get the clarity on your life. To build a stronger structure and create ideal life and business, it's really important to know your core value. Are you clear? To get the clarity on this lesson? Yes, that's the thing. You want to know what I am saying, then you have to choose 10 values from the list. Then finally identify 5 core values. Here I am going to say some of the important core values, about some of the important core values in life, not for all the 20. The adventure is one of the core values for somebody. An adventure is an existing and exciting experience that is typically a bold and sometimes risky and undertaking. So these are all the qualities of the adventure. If you have the adventure is your core value, you are able to take the risk on your life and business. Like that, respect. You are admire on someone or something deeply as a result of their abilities, qualities, or achievements. And then respect in your relationship builds feelings and trust, safety, and well-being. So the respect means you are going to respect somebody on their qualities, on their abilities, on their achievements, on their relationship. So you are able to understand others. You are the respectful person. You are given the respect to others. You are the polite and good person in the life. So that's one of the core value. Most of the people, even they talk with some younger people. Yes, vanga, ponga, like in Tamil. So there is an respect. Like that, some of them having the discipline is the core value. Some of them have the courage is their core value. Courage means it's courage permits one to face extreme dangers and difficulties without fear. That's the thing. So like that, somebody having courage, somebody having very creativity, somebody having competence, somebody having reliability. Reliability is the quality of being trustworthy or performing consistently well. So optimism, cooperation, and then challenge, then community base and change. Humor, somebody having very good humor, they are impacting everybody. Those who are having humor on their life, they are impacting everybody. So that's one of the thing. Diversity, honesty, then decisiveness, dependability, compassion, like that. Finally, that motivation. So a lot of values are there. So you have to identify your value. I'm again and again says it's the day one lesson. It's the clarity lesson. In this, the core value is very, very important, because you are build your life based on your core values only. Your reactions, your actions, your whatever it is in your life or business, you are doing only on core values. If you are going to do against core values, that will be create the problems. So now I hope you are all identify your core values through the list. Really awesome on that. If you are says okay, I will give you the exercise for that. I will send the values through WhatsApp group. Then you have to identify, that is the exercise for day. So whenever you are complete the exercise to identify the core value, then you have to always seek the clarity on your life. You know one thing, the high performers always seeking clarity again and again. Consistently seeking the clarity on their life. Once we are getting clarity, that's enough. No, you need the clarity on every aspect. So you are going to success through your clarity and core values. Before we are going to complete the lesson, here I will give you some tips to simple steps to get clarity in your life. Are you ready for that? Very, very simple things. Create space. That means you give the space to some others, some things. Don't think I am like this. You are narrowed down to your doings and everything. You just give the space for others. So create space and then get quiet. Keep quiet. Whenever you are quiet, your mind will be thinking relaxed and thinking positively. So you are going to get quiet. If you are not find the clarity on your mind, whenever you are not able to get the clarity through your thinkings, just write it down. It's a very good practice to get the clarity. You just write it down, what you want, what are the things to do, how to get the clarity on that, and the final result, what we are going to expect the final result. So you just write it down. That's a very, very good exercise to do for the getting clarity. And then identify what matters. What are the things are disturbing you? What are the things are going to break your journey? So you have to find the matters. What matters are disturbed. So once you are identified, then you are getting the solution for such things. So identify what matters. And then more important, do one thing at a time. The most of the people think multitasker is a very, very brilliant and they are doing very well, whatever it is. Okay, multitasking is a good thing. I'm not a second thought on that, but every time multitasking is a not right thing. If you want to clear success on your life or business, do one thing at a time. Don't try to multitask on every time. That's the main important one. And then eliminate your distractions. Actually, I'm already told that if your mind is, your eyes are here, you are viewing this lesson, but your mind will not be here. That will travel somewhere else. Somebody is belling in the street, somebody is shouting. So your distractions will the major element to destroy your success. So eliminate your distractions. Whenever you want to clarity in your life, whenever you want to do successful things, you must eliminate distractions. Then do the experiments. If you want to do, if you need some success through your ideas, just to do some experiments on that. So you will get the result based on your experiment, the plus or minus, you have to correct it. Finally, going to implement. You are doing all the things, but you are not ready to implement. Then how to get the result? Without implementation, how to get the result for your business or life? So you are going to implement. I hope so. You are all get clear on your views today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about energy. Whenever you are getting clarity, then you have to boost up your energy. So day 2 we are going to discuss energy. Today I am happy you are all going to identify your core values and then make a first step to success. And then you are going to behave like a millionaire. And then whenever you are completing all the steps, you are going to become a millionaire. Do the business and then get the major success on your life. Happy, good life, and cheers. Thank you all.